Here's my Kent e-bike. It's 27.5 on the tires. This was $498 at Walmart. And it's not completely stock. I just bought it. The derailleur is a micro shift 26, which is fine. Has a detachable derailleur hanger. It's a battery. It's 350 watts. It's a class 1. It's pedal assist only, but it has 3 power levels. Some mods that I did, I changed the stock pedals right there with these Crank Brothers, because I do like to clip in. I replaced the seat with this one, which I took off of my old Schwinn Axum. This is the seat that came with it, extremely big and fat. And I replaced this steel coil fork with a Bucklos air fork, which is much nicer. I also added the quick release because it did not come with the quick release in the front. Other than the micro shift, it does have Tektro mechanical brakes, but they are Tektro branded. So they are working pretty nice. And that's it. I added these little lights. This is the first ride that I'm gonna do on this thing today. And it's not gonna be my regular bike. I actually do like to work, so I like to pedal. My Axum DP is still gonna be my primary bike, but this one is pretty nice.